Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is log on to SS. So first of all, we all have to know about that what is SS. MS SS is the tool of MS Office as like Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and it is used to make data in the form of tables. But students, here one question comes in our mind that we can make tables in Word, Excel as well as in the PowerPoint very easily. So what is the need to use MS SS? Microsoft Access is an information management tool that helps you store information for reference, reporting, and analysis. Right? It means it is basically used to maintain our database. So, what is the meaning of database? A database is an organized way of storing information. It helps us to manage and access large amount of information quickly and efficiently. Means through this database we can easily arrange our values in a particular order, like the order is ascending or descending alphabetically, right? So database maintain and organized are all the values in a particular order. Okay, so here we are having some types of the database. We are having basic two types of the database. First is flat file database. A flat file database can store and retrieve the information. It is not capable of linking the files together. What is the meaning of linking the files together? Students, as you can see here, we are having two tables. In first table, we are having some fields like roll number, name, class, subject. And in second, again we are having the same fields like roll number, name, class, subjects. But in both the tables, as you can see, in this table and in this table, you can see the roll numbers are different and basically the classes are different. So there is no any kind of link in between both the tables, right? Both the tables we don't have any kind of link. That is known as flat file database. According to it, a flat file database can store. It can be easily store your all the values, but it is not capable to link the files together. It will not link your both the tables. Okay. The second type of the database is relational database. A relational database links relation means to create the relation in between both the tables. Okay, relation database links separate tables together to get a common piece of information. Both the tables we can easily connect, but we require a common field. Means, as you can see here, roll number, name, class, subject. This is our first table in which we are having the field as roll number, name, class, subject. Suppose we are having roll number 11, name Dev, class 9th and subject science. Okay, and we are having our second table, that is again roll number, subject, marks. Okay, so you can check here. If I want to check what marks actually roll number 11 got in exam science, then we can easily check with the second table, because both are having the same field, that is roll number. With the help of this roll number field, both the tables are connected together. So this is the type of database. Second type of database, that is relational database. Okay. Second one is this is the table. As you can see here, we are having this table. This is basically used to maintain our data. Here you can check, we are having student information database. Database where all the values are stored in a particular formation. Okay. Here you can see, students, that we are having field option, rows and columns. What is the meaning of these options? So we will discuss these are the components of the database, and we will discuss all these options in the next slides. Basic components of SS. Basic components of SS, that is data, record, fields, columns, file, table. With the help of these components, you can easily understand what is the basic motive to use the database and what is the basic use of your MS SS. Fine. First of all, what is data? Data is an unorganized value which is under processing. What it means? As you can see here, 02022007. Okay, what it is? We don't know. It's only a number, but which kind of number it is? The number of any kind of phone number or roll number or any kind of other number it is. We don't know anything about it. Okay, but when I make the slash in between these number, it shows as a format that is DDMMYY. It means it's something representing something like a date, month and year. Okay, but again it's a unorganized way. Which date is this? Which month is this? Which year is this? We don't know what is the relation of this date, right? When I write here as DOB, it means it's a date of birth of someone. Again, it's a unorganized value, under processing value, because we don't know whose date of birth is this. So when I write here Shivam DOB 222007, it means it's a date of birth of Shivam, a student of class 9th, whatever the class you can take here, and the date of birth represent that this is the date of birth of student Shivam. Okay, now you can say it is a complete data value of a particular person. Now it's a information. It converts in the term of information. Before information, it represent as a data. So data is an unorganized value which is under processing, right? Come to the next slide. Definition of record. A collection of fields make one record. When we are having so many collection, so many values simultaneously, that will make a record. A record display all the information about a single entity. In this example, you can check here a student's roll number, name, father's name, address, telephone number and date of birth indicates one complete record of a student, right? If I'm talking about a particular roll number, that is 101. So if I want to check all the values of roll number 101, all the information 101, so here the information regarding this person, that roll number 101, name Kabir, father's name Mr. R. Nanda, address this, phone number this and date of birth this. So this is known as a record. The complete row wise information is known as record, right? Come to the next slide. Definition of fields. Field, a column within a table that contains only one type of information is called a field. So basically field is just a specification of group of values like roll number and name. As you can see, I am representing it with an arrow. Roll number and name means it's a representation, it's a particular specification. Yani ki you can say here roll number. Roll number means you just have to you just allow here to write the roll number values only. And in the name field, you just have to write down the names only, right? So in the database of the school information, all roll number, name, address, date of birth, etc. are the different field names. Okay. Definition of column. Column is the vertical representation of values of a table. Whatever you see here, that we are having two columns here. One column is roll number, another column is name, right? So column is what? Column is basically just a vertical representation. Vertically you can store any value, horizontally or vertically. We are having both the types of the values here, na? So vertical values are known as the column and horizontal values are known as the rows. Okay. Definition of file. A file is a collection of records. Earlier we talked about record. Record is a value of a single person. Okay, all the complete information of a single person only. But if we talk about the multiple students or multiple employees, then it becomes as a record. Here we are having 3 students having roll number 101, 102, 103. We are having the complete information regarding both 3 students, all 3 students. So it's known as a file. Okay. Table. A table is a combination of rows and columns. We are already having so many tables here. We can check easily that we are in a particular table we are having some rows and some columns. That is known as a table. So this is all about your starting of your MS SS. In next slide we will do how to start MS SS and what are the basic use and how to create the data in MS SS. Okay, happy learning.